Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because Thanksgiving is this week and that means that Black Friday is coming up and so is Cyber Monday and then Christmas, and I'm so excited because I absolutely love Christmas. It's my favorite holiday, and that means that a lot of you are going to be out there doing some shopping, buying gifts for your loved ones and friends. So I'm going to give you some ideas on maybe some gifts you might want to buy. There are going to be a lot of great sales as well coming up, so this might be the time to buy some of these things if you know that the people who you are buying gifts for might like them. So I'm going to link everything below in case you want to buy any of these things as gifts. I'll also include any discounts that I have for you guys so that you can save some money on some of these things if I have a code for you. I will link that all below, so make sure you read the description of this video so you can get all that information. Okay, so let's get into it. One of my favorite gifts to give people, men and women, is pepper spray. It's such a great gift, it's so easy to carry, and it could potentially save them from a lot of danger. This one here is by the brand POM. POM stands for peace of mind. They come in a lot of different colors. This one is my favorite because I love the color green, as you can see. This is also very Christmassy. You might be able to do like a white and red or a black and red, but you can choose what color you want. I like the ones with the clip the best. They also make ones that have keychain attachments, but these are my favorite because you can just stick it in your pocket and go. They're so easy to grab when you're leaving the house. POM pepper spray, or any pepper spray really. This is just the one that I find is the most convenient and easy for me to carry. And while we're on the topic of pepper spray, a home defense pepper spray makes a great gift. Look how big this thing is. I mean, look at that size difference. There's so much spray in here, and these things shoot like 30 feet. They've got these big triggers on them, and they come with these brackets so you can mount them to the wall. You can put them in multiple areas of your house, and it's a non-lethal tool that you can use in your home defense plan. My next gift idea for those people in your life who carry guns is a Neo Mag. This is my favorite way to carry extra magazines. It's got a magnet on the inside and this clip on the outside, so you stick your magazine to it. It clips in just like that. I've done a whole video showing you how these guys work. And then you stick it in your pocket, and when you need to take the magazine out, you just pull it out like that, and this stays in your pocket. So these are a great way to carry magazines on your body without having to wear a belt, which I don't do. They're having a bunch of different sales this coming weekend. So starting Black Friday till Monday, they're doing like a different sale every day. So follow me on Instagram and I'll be posting about those so you guys can know what they're doing each day. But these are awesome. I love my Neo Mag. But these are great, made in the USA, great company. And I do have a discount code for these, so I'll link that below with the code so that you guys can get your hands on one. Another great little accessory for your magazines are magazine extension kits. So I carry a Smith & Wesson Shield, and I like to carry a 7-round magazine in my gun because it's the shortest, so that makes it easier to conceal. But that means that I only have 7 rounds plus 1 in the chamber. That's 8 rounds total. And if I can get an extra round in there, I definitely want to. So we recently discovered these kits by a company called Mag Guts that you can install into your magazine, and you can get a +1 or a +2. This magazine here, which was a 7, has a +1 in it, so now it actually holds 8 rounds. So this has become an 8-round magazine that I can carry in my gun without changing the size of the magazine. And I also got a +2 put in my 8-round magazine. So this, which is the same size as an 8-round magazine, actually now holds 10 rounds. You don't have to worry about carrying a longer magazine, which might be harder to conceal. You can carry more rounds by getting an extension kit, and these ones are by the brand Mag Guts, and they work awesome. I've tested them out, and I haven't had any malfunctions or anything with these. If you want to buy someone a holster, that can be a little more tricky, especially for holsters that are designed around females. You might be getting something that's sized a certain way, but one thing that's kind of universally okay to get is a purse holster, because these just fit everyone. And I've talked about these before, the pros and cons. I definitely like them in certain situations, and they can make a great gift. This one's by Gun Totin' Mamas. I like the ones that go cross body so that you can have more control over your bag. Make sure it has a separate compartment for your gun. This one has this Velcro holster in here so you can reposition it. I also did a video on one by Roma Leathers Inc. that has locking zippers, so I'll link that here if you guys want to check that one out, and I have a discount code for them if you want to get that one. But A purse holster can be great. You don't have to limit the size of the gun you're carrying in something like this. You can carry a full-size gun. I think it's a great option to have because sometimes you just can't carry in certain outfits. Okay, flashlights make great gifts, great little stocking stuffers. These two are my favorites. This is my favorite little flashlight that fits in my tiny women's jeans pockets. This is made by Streamlight. It's really small, but it's very bright, and it has a clip on it, so you can just stick it right in your pocket. This one right here is made by PowerTac, and this is honestly the brightest flashlight that I've ever seen. I actually have a 40% off code if you guys want to get one of these. They're really cool. They're rechargeable. They have a clip, and it has like 5 different settings. So let's see. I mean, you can't tell in here because the lights are on, but when you have that outside at night, it is bright. It also has a little wrist lanyard thing. One of my other favorite little tools to carry around is my Gerber Dime multi-tool. It's a great little accessory that has a lot of capabilities. It has a bunch of different little tools on it, but they're tiny. And you can get these right on Amazon. I'll link it below in case you want to check it out. But my sister got me one as a gift once, and I absolutely love it. It's a great stocking stuffer for guys and girls. You can get a lot of use out of it. And it's a great little tool to have that will get you out of a lot of different little jams. Another kind of out-of-the-box idea for a gift is a medical kit. I have one in my car that looks like this. It's kind of on the bigger side, so I don't carry this around, but there's a lot of gear in here. Especially if you carry a gun, you never know if you might need to use a tourniquet or something. There's a lot of different gear in here. Trauma shears, burn dressings, just a lot of different stuff. So it's good to keep one of these in your car, and if you can get this for someone as a gift, I think that these make a great gift. They also make smaller ones like this little ankle kit right here, which I don't carry on my ankle because I can't do that. But it has a tourniquet, it's got some quick clot and trauma dressing, and these are just really great as well. So I will find these and link them below as well. So medical kits, I mean, you hope you will never need it, but if you need it, you'll be glad that someone bought you one for Christmas. Another great gift for people who like to go to the range is a range bag. This is my range bag. This one's by 511 Tactical. My sister actually gave it to me as like a hand-me-down, which is why I love it so much because it used to be hers. But there are some really great range bags out there. I actually found one online that's really cool. You can put some other little things in there like targets or like a box of ammo, so you can kind of make a gift bag out of a range bag, which might be cool if you know someone who likes to shoot and you want to give them a nice gift. Another gift idea is a gun cleaning kit. Some people like to clean their guns a lot. I used to. When I first started shooting, I cleaned my guns like after every time I shot, and now I don't do that as often. But if you know like someone who's just getting a gun or someone who's just getting into shooting and they don't really have something like that yet, getting them a whole kit that has all the essentials you need to clean your gun is a great idea so that they can get started and learning how to clean their gun. I'm actually going to do a video on that soon so you guys can see how I clean my guns when I do. The one I have is by Winchester. They make a lot of different ones, but I do like that one. It has everything I need to clean my gun. Do you guys know what this is? This is called an Uplula by the brand Maglula, and it just makes loading your magazines a lot easier. I did a video showing you guys how these work, and I mean, I got so many comments on that video from you guys saying that you use them and you love them, so I know that these are really popular and they work great. They come in a lot of different colors, and it basically just makes loading magazines a heck of a lot easier, especially if you're going to be going to a class and loading a ton of magazines. You want to do it in a way that's not going to bother your hands. This is a great solution, and they actually sell them on Gun Goddess. I could not find them on Amazon, but Gun Goddess has them in a bunch of different colors. I recommend you grab one because those go really fast, and a lot of websites are sold out of these already. And on that subject, another great gift idea would be to buy someone a class, a shooting class. All of these certificates I have behind me here are all shooting classes and instructor certifications and stuff that I've done. And I just love taking classes and learning more. So if you know some shooters in your life or people who might be interested in learning about firearms, maybe buy them like a basic safety course. And that's a great way to get people comfortable, is by giving them a way to educate themselves. Because I find that a lack of education about guns is why most people who are afraid of guns are afraid of guns. It's just because they don't really know about them or know how to be safe around them. So get someone a gift certificate for a class, and that would make a great gift for someone who wants to learn more about guns. Another fun gift that I found online are these gun neckties. So these are also on gungoddess.com, and they come in different colors. They've got different guns on them. So if you know a guy who likes to wear ties, the pattern's very subtle. So if you didn't know that these were guns on a guy's necktie and you just saw it kind of from a distance, you wouldn't know until you get up close and you see. And you can pick what guns you want on them and what color ties you want. So these are actually really cool for the guy in your life who likes guns but also gets dressed up every once in a while. You guys, it's hunting season now, so I go through a lot of these hot hands. But if you go shooting at a range and it's really cold, these can be like a lifesaver. So these make a great stocking stuffer. These make a great stocking stuffer. I got like I got 2 of these, so 20 of them on Amazon for like $15. And they're amazing. You just take them out of the packet and they heat up and they warm up your hands if you stick them in your pockets. So hot hands are one of my most used products throughout the winter. Hunting, shooting, just being out in the world, I get really cold. So if you know someone who gets cold, who has cold hands all the time, this is the stuff right here. Another fun stocking stuffer I found on Gun Goddess is this Cooper's Color Code keychain. I thought this was so funny because it's got little beads on it that are each color to represent the different levels of awareness that Jeff Cooper talks about. So if you've never read the book Principles of Personal Defense by Jeff Cooper, this is a great book that talks about awareness and personal defense, and he developed this color code that represents different levels of awareness. So if you know what that is, or you know someone who's into personal protection and situational awareness, this makes a great little stocking stuffer. You can get them the book as well, put them together, and I think that that's a really cool gift. So you know someone who's in need of a pocket knife, that can make a really good gift. This is my favorite here. It's made by Spyderco. This is their Dragonfly. It's just a really small little knife. It's super light, so I don't even feel it on me when I'm carrying it. It's very sharp. It's got this nice blade, and it's very easy to carry. I just stick it in my pocket right there. So as far as pocket knives go, there are lots of good ones out there. I personally like this one the best. Well, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I really hope this gave you some ideas on gifts you can buy people in your life. Please comment below and let me know what your favorite gift you ever got was. Maybe it'll give me some ideas for gifts that I'm gonna buy people this year. I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving. I hope you get to enjoy that time with your friends and family in whatever way possible this year. I know this year's a little different, but either way, I hope you guys have a great holiday, a great Thanksgiving, and please make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. It really helps out my channel when you guys comment and like. I really appreciate you all, and I hope you stay safe. Bye!